기다렸어요. 오랜 시간을 밤이 지나고.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the new video.
삶이라는 건 답이 없었고.
There is nothing quite like to beat the heat. But while chilling here, I thought I'll share some tips on how to keep your kitchen organized and looking beautiful even in this summer weather. I had some kitchen cleaning pending and I thought I'll share some of my most favorite things in my kitchen. In urban cities where rental expenses are so high, maximizing the space is very crucial. And these IKEA shelf organizer is just like a magic trick. It creates extra space in my kitchen and keep so many things organized in that tiny space. From bathroom to the kitchen to the studio, I have used these stick-on hooks every single corner. They are perfect if you hang them correctly. Along with these stick-on hooks, buy this strong transparent adhesive tape and attach that at the back of these stick-on hooks. Put a paper tape on the surface and stick the hook on the paper tape like so. If you don't want to go through the trouble of sticking the hooks, these over-the-door hooks are perfect to hang all the little knickknacks. They come in different sizes. I opted for these small ones because they were perfect for the doors that I had. Next, let's shed some light in those dark cabinet corners with these puck lights. There is no more digging blindly for those favorite spices or oil bottles anymore. I bought this from IKEA, but there are several different types available on Amazon, and I will try and link all of these products in the description box for you. If there is one most favorite thing that I did in this kitchen, then it has to be these under cabinet lights. These babies not only add a cozy vibe to my kitchen, but also makes those midnight snacks a lot more safer. They come with magnetic attachments and they have motion sensors as well. I opted for warm lights and these are chargeable as well. Last year I bought this 2-tier shelf and I have been loving this by far. It keeps all my oil bottles organized and safe from those rattling drawers and cabinets that usually rental homes have. To remove the oil grease from the oil bottles, the easiest trick is warm soapy water. If the grease is too much, then you can also add a couple of caps of white vinegar to it. Dry it with a tissue paper and it will be sparkling clean. Some of the oil pourer nozzles were broken. After long use, I replaced them with the new ones. These I got as a set of 6 from Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box in case you need to. If you've been enjoying this video by far, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. It really helps me. Since I have a black countertop, this IKEA sink organizer is perfect. It matches, plus it's so ergonomic and easy to maintain. These steel trivets doubles as a dish drying rack in the kitchen where it lacks the direct sunlight. It's a game changer for drying dishes without the hassle of drying mats.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind. Like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have.
Making the most of every inch of space with these corner shelf organizer, it's a perfect spot for storing all the cooking essentials. It holds my heavy cast iron pans to less used pressure cookers.
Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing. Faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. The swallows will be here by the door.
For dinner, I'm cooking something very simple and easy to make, that is mushroom pasta. I'll be using my favorite beetroot pasta and keep things really simple and quick. Often at times during summer, I do not like cooking so much because of the heat, and I am always in hunt for those one pot recipes. Let me know if you're interested in a series where I can share some of my favorite one pot meals.
Headed for a bruising, watching out for number one. You gotta slow down, look around you, son. Today is just a day and not tomorrow. Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going, brightness looks big. Where you're going, truth.
These under cabinet shelves are a lifesaver, organizing everything from spices to crockeries. I have used this time to organize my masala boxes. They are right near the gas stove but still does not clutter the countertop. I use these multiple hook system to hang all my servewares. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Do leave your comments. I read each and every one of them and they really make my day. I also take every single suggestions that you pour in. So if you have any feedback or any videos that you would like to see, do leave them in the comments. So I'll see you all in my next video. Until next time, bye-bye.
Where you're going, you can rest your head. Where you're going.